Hello everyone, and welcome back to EduTube. I am thrilled to have you join me once again as we continue our deep dive into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Today, in Lecture 23 of Module 5, we are exploring one of the most talked about innovations in the digital space, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. If you have ever wondered what NFTs are, how they work, and why they are creating so much buzz, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will break down the concept of NFTs in simple, everyday language and relate it to real-life examples so that even if you are completely new to blockchain, you can easily follow along and understand how NFTs work. Let us start with the basics. When we say something is non-fungible, it means that it is unique and cannot be replaced with something else. Consider a rare baseball card or a one-of-a-kind piece of art. You would not trade that for just any other baseball card or art piece because it has its own unique value. That is precisely what NFTs are all about. They are digital tokens that represent something unique. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, where each unit is identical to every other unit, NFTs are unique. Each NFT has a distinct identity and cannot be exchanged on a one-for-one basis with another NFT. This uniqueness is what makes them so special and valuable. At the heart of NFTs is the blockchain, which serves as a secure digital ledger that records every transaction in a transparent and unchangeable manner. When an artist or creator mints an NFT, they are taking a digital file, a piece of art, music, a video clip, or even an in-game item, and turning it into a token on the blockchain. This token comes with a record that proves ownership and authenticity. Imagine owning a limited edition poster signed by your favorite artist. Even if many people can have a copy of the image, only one person holds the original signed version that proves its authenticity. In the digital world, NFTs play the same role. They allow digital creations to have a verifiable certificate of authenticity stored permanently on the blockchain, ensuring that the item is unique and cannot be duplicated without permission. Let us now explore how NFTs work in a simple, step-by-step manner. The process begins when an artist or creator mints an NFT. Minting is the act of converting a digital file into a token on the blockchain. Think of it as turning a digital image into a collectible item, much like a photographer might produce a limited edition print of a photograph. Once minted, the NFT is recorded on the blockchain along with important details such as the creator's name, the time of creation, and a unique identifier that distinguishes it from any other token. You can think of this as a digital certificate of authenticity that is stored forever and can be verified by anyone. After the NFT is created, it can be bought, sold, or traded. Ownership of the NFT is recorded on the blockchain, so whenever it is transferred from one person to another, the record is updated to reflect the new owner. This is similar to how a deed for a house is transferred when someone sells their property. The new owner now holds the NFT along with any associated rights that come with it. The entire process is powered by smart contracts, which are self-executing digital agreements that run on the blockchain. These smart contracts automatically enforce the terms of the agreement. For example, when you buy an NFT, the smart contract transfers ownership to you as soon as the payment is completed. This process is completely automated and eliminates the need for intermediaries such as galleries or auction houses. It is like having an automatic vending machine that dispenses the exact item you pay for without any human intervention. To make this concept even more relatable, imagine that you are a collector of rare stamps. Each stamp in your collection is unique, perhaps due to its historical significance, design, or limited availability. Now think about digital art. In the past, it was very challenging for digital artists to prove that their work was original or that it was a limited edition because digital files can be copied easily. With NFTs, an artist can create a digital piece of art and mint a limited number of tokens representing that artwork. Just like your rare stamps, these NFTs become collectible items with their own unique value. Even if someone downloads a copy of the image, only the NFT represents the original authenticated version. Another everyday example is digital music. Imagine your favorite musician releases a limited edition song as an NFT. Even though millions of people can listen to the song online, only a few will own the official NFT that certifies they have the original version. This creates a sense of exclusivity and can potentially increase the value of the digital content. Similarly, event tickets can be issued as NFTs. Traditional tickets are prone to counterfeiting and scalping, but NFT tickets are unique, easily verifiable, and stored securely on the blockchain, ensuring that only genuine ticket holders gain entry. Let us now walk through a typical NFT transaction step by step. First, the creator mints an NFT by converting a digital file into a token on the blockchain. The NFT is then recorded with its unique identifier and details that verify its authenticity. Once the NFT is live, it can be listed on a digital marketplace where collectors and buyers can view it. When a buyer decides to purchase the NFT, they initiate a transaction through the marketplace. The payment is made in digital currency, and the smart contract governing the NFT automatically transfers ownership from the creator or current owner to the buyer. Every stage of this process, from minting to the final transfer of ownership, is recorded on the blockchain, creating a permanent, transparent record that can be verified at any time. It is natural to have some questions or concerns about NFTs. One common question is whether NFTs are just a passing trend. While NFTs have recently gained significant attention, they represent a fundamental shift in how we view digital ownership and value. Just as the internet revolutionized the way we share information, NFTs are transforming how we create, collect, and trade digital assets. Another common concern is the issue of digital copies. Even though a digital file can be copied, the NFT represents the original authenticated version, similar to how a famous painting can be reproduced, but only the original holds true value. The cost of creating or buying NFTs can vary widely. Some NFTs are sold for millions of dollars, while others are more accessible. Their value is determined by factors such as uniqueness, the reputation of the creator, and market demand. Although the market can be volatile, many creators and collectors see NFTs as a new way to invest in digital art and other creative content. In conclusion, today we have taken an in-depth look at non-fungible tokens and discovered what they are, how they work, and why they are so important in the digital age. We explored the idea of non-fungibility, learned how NFTs are minted and recorded on the blockchain, and discussed how they represent ownership of unique digital assets. By relating the concept to everyday examples such as collectible stamps, digital art, music releases, and event tickets, we have seen that NFTs are not just a digital trend, but a groundbreaking innovation that is changing the way we understand ownership in the digital world. I hope this lecture has provided you with a clear and relatable understanding of NFTs and their potential to revolutionize the digital landscape. Whether you are an artist looking to protect your creative work, a collector seeking unique digital assets, or simply curious about the future of digital ownership, NFTs offer a fascinating glimpse into what the future holds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and subscribe to EduTube for more easy-to-understand lessons on blockchain technology and its incredible applications. Stay tuned for our next lecture in this series, where we will continue to explore advanced topics in blockchain that are shaping the future of digital innovation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture. Remember, every step you take to understand new technology brings you closer to being part of the digital revolution. Have a fantastic day and keep learning with EduTube.